Global markets rallied on Monday. There was green across the board and across all U.S. averages. We saw the Dow Industrials exit correction territory with Monday's advance, and all 10 S&P sectors also gained. And oil's race above $30 a barrel helped lift downtrodden energy shares. The big question is, how much longer volatility will be on the table? So without further ado, here's your closing bell happy hour report. On Monday, oil prices as well as economic data were in the spotlight. Global PMI manufacturing missed forecasts. Here in the U.S., manufacturing activity in February slowed to its lowest level since October 2012. The flash reading fell to 51, coming in below forecasts. The data highlights recent weakness in the manufacturing sector as a stronger U.S. currency weakened overseas demand. The energy sector was one of the best performers on Monday. Major oil companies Chevron, BP, Schlumberger, and Royal Dutch Shell were higher. Crude oil prices rebounded primarily on more support from some countries over an oil output cap to stabilize commodities trading. And ahead of the closing bell, let's take a look at where the stock averages are trading. And for your corporate news, we saw some M&A action on Monday. Cisco agreed to buy UK food services distributor Brakes Group for roughly $3.1 billion, including debt. The deal is expected to close before July 2016, the end of its fiscal year. United Technologies soared over 6% on reports Honeywell had met with the company regarding a potential deal. And for your decliners on Monday, lumber liquidators tumbled nearly 20%, and this came as the CDC warned of a high risk of cancer of its products compared to other laminate flooring. The CDC estimated the risk of tumors as 6 to 30 cases for every 100,000 people exposed to its products. And Dean Foods lost more than 8% despite better than expected quarterly guidance. The company expects adjusted earnings of between 32 cents and 42 cents a share in the first quarter as milk costs decline further. Looking ahead to Tuesday, housing figures as well as consumer confidence will be closely monitored. We'll just have to wait and see if markets in China manage the stabilization trend. Have a good night, and we'll see you back here tomorrow morning.